Namaste, Grade 4 learners! I'm Teacher Tin, your math teacher. In this video, you are going to learn what is area and how to find the area of squares and rectangles. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to define area, find the area of squares and rectangles, value the importance of area through life word problems. Before we start our lesson, we need to help my friend Captain Jake look for his treasure. Grade 4 learners, are you game for it? Great! Let's do multiplication, division, and help Captain Jake find his treasure. Hi friends, I'm Captain Jake from Neverland. Please help me look for the treasure. I have here the treasure map that will give us the clue where the treasure is. All we need to do is to multiply or divide the given numbers in every stop. Let's go! Now for our first stop. What is the product if we multiply the numbers 10 and 3? You got it right! 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Okay, up to our next stop. We are now in our second stop. What is 81 divided by 9? 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. Very good! For our third stop, what is 12 times 6? You got it right! 72 is the product when you multiply numbers 12 and 6. We're here in our fourth stop. What is the quotient if we divide 143 by 13? Excellent! 143 divided by 13 is equal to 11. Come on, let's go to our last stop. Okay, we're here in our final stop. What is the product if we multiply the numbers 156 and 21? Wow, you got it right! 3,276 is the product when we multiply the numbers 156 and 21. There they are! My friends Izzy and Cubby are my treasure. Thank you for helping me find them. You really did a good job. You have great skills in multiplication and division. Sadly, we have to go now. See you next time. Bye! Back to our lesson, treasure hunters. Let's have a review on what we have discussed from our previous lesson. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. How do we find the perimeter of a shape? Perimeter can be calculated by adding up the length of each of the sides of a shape. Grade 4 learners, let's see if you can still recall how to find the perimeter of different shapes. Go to www.toytheater.com/perimeter-climber and play the Perimeter Climber online game. Let's proceed to our lesson for today. I have here a picture of an object. What object is in your screen right now? What can you say about the chessboard? How many squares are there in the chessboard? Now, I have here a word problem. Dexter found a chessboard in his older brother's room. The side of the chessboard measures 8 units. What is the area of the chessboard? How can squares inside the bigger square help you in finding the area of a square object? What is the area of the chessboard? The area of the chessboard is 64 square units. From the word problem given, how will you define area? Do you have any idea what is area? Area is the amount of space occupied by a shape. It is the number of square units it takes to cover the inside of a closed figure. Square units may be in square centimeters, square meters, square inches, or square feet. How to find the area of squares and rectangles using a formula. To find the area of a square, simply multiply the measure of a side by itself. So the formula in finding the area of a square is side times side, or S times S. Here is an example. This square has a side that measures 8 centimeters. Now, let's use the formula. 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters is equal to 64 square centimeters. Example number 2. This blue square has a side that measures 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches times 3.5 inches is equal to 12.25 square inches. Area of a rectangle. To find the area of a rectangle, multiply the length by the width. You can use the formula area is equal to length times width, or L times W. Here are the examples. This rectangle has a length of 6 meters and a width of 5 meters. Let's multiply the length and the width. 6 meters times 5 meters is equal to 30 square meters. Let's have another example. This purple rectangle has a length of 12 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. Now, let's multiply the length and the width. 12 centimeters times 4 centimeters is equal to 48 square centimeters. It's your turn, learners. Get your pens and math notebooks and let's practice. Using a formula, find the area of these following objects. This square handkerchief has a side of 11 inches. Time's up. Let's check if your answer is correct. The area of this handkerchief is 121 square inches. Next, find the area of this square clock that has a side of 23 centimeters. Time's up. Let's check if your answer is correct. The area of the clock is 529 square centimeters. Next object is a Philippine flag that has a length of 5 feet and a width of 3 feet. Time's up. Let's check if your answer is correct. The area of this Philippine flag is 15 square feet. Our last object is a bath towel that has a length of 56 inches and a width of 30 inches. Time's up. Let's check if your answer is correct. The area of the bath towel is 1,680 square inches. Good job, learners! Now, let's try to read and answer some word problems. Lisa's square bedroom has a length of 10 feet. How much carpet will Lisa need to cover the floor of her bedroom? It is given in the word problem that Lisa's square bedroom has a length of 10 feet. Now, let's find the area of Lisa's square bedroom using the formula. Therefore, Lisa needs a 100 square feet of carpet to cover the floor of her bedroom. Tom built a backyard pen for his puppy. The length of the pen was 5 meters and width was 3 meters. What is the area of the pen? Let's find the area of the backyard pen using the given measurements and the formula in finding the area of a rectangle. Therefore, Tom built a 15 square meters of backyard pen for his puppy. Let's have a recap. Evaluation time! In your math notebook, write the formula and solve the area of these following squares and rectangles. Once you're done, take a picture of your solutions and answers and send it to our Facebook group, TES Grade 4 Topaz. Now for your assignment. On a separate sheet of paper, complete Table A and Table B. Your assignment should be submitted on our next schedule for retrieval of modules. That's it, learners. I hope you have learned something new today. Once again, I'm Teacher Tin, your math teacher, and see you on our next class.